Hey there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all of us creative folks. One of the highlights is the AI Portrait Cutout 2.0 feature. If you want to become a pro at using this feature, make sure to keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Say goodbye to green screens with Filmora's AI Portrait Cutout, a powerful AI-enabled feature that automatically detects a person in your video footage, allowing you to remove the background with a single click. Cut out people from images and videos, swap backgrounds, and add visual effects for more impact. How 2.0 is different? In the previous version of AI Portrait Cutout, users often observed jagged edges around subjects, particularly with hair strands, resulting in an unnatural and distorted appearance. Filmora's AI Portrait Cutout Model 2.0 features an upgraded algorithm that can better detect complex, semi-transparent objects like hair using advanced hair-level keying. This new model also preserves any props or objects held by the person to a greater extent, ensuring that the final image closely resembles a lifelike representation. Content creators with minimal setup can use this feature to create unique content, remove the background without a green screen, and can use it to place the subject in a whole new environment. Similarly, gamers can use this feature in their gaming video with live commentary. What creators can get from AI Portrait Cutout? Cut out people automatically with one simple click. The AI Portrait Cutout lets you cut out people sitting or walking with a single click. No professional skills are required. When you enable it, it'll instantly detect people in your video and isolate them automatically, helping you avoid tedious segment cutting operations or wasting time brushing over manually. Do more with the AI Portrait Cutout tool. After cutting out the person, you can reinvent your footage with an extensive selection of creative assets and visual effects. For example, add stickers to your face, apply glitch, neon lights, human cloning, and many other effects to make something that looks and feels completely new. Now, let's see how to use AI Portrait Cutout 2.0 in Filmora in easy steps. Step 1. Launch Filmora. Click on a new portrait to go to the main editing window, then import your footage and place it onto the timeline. Step 2. Go to the AI tools in the settings panel, scroll down, and you will get AI Portrait Cutout. Enable it, and AI will start analyzing the subject in your footage. Step 3. After the portrait cutout, now you can add the background. You can use AI portrait effects, you can even add stickers and apply visual effects for a more powerful impact. Step 4. Finally, click Export, save the cutout video, and share it on your social media. With Filmora 14, possibilities are endless. Create a viral video with Filmora 14 with a few clicks. Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and create creatively. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.